digits should your measurement contain then? Let's take a look at this short clip of my friends discussing some of these points.
I'm trying to understand why they made us pay $52.55 when the bill actually sums up to $52.548.
Let me see. Yes, it has to be approximated. Think about it. Is it possible to pay 54.8 cents?
Oh, wait. No, I can't. Even if I intend to, I can't find that amount.
Exactly. It won't be as meaningful as 55 cents, will it?
I see. So the total was approximated to the nearest meaningful value in order for the price to make sense.
That's right. 4 digits make it more meaningful than 5. That's to say the price is written in 4 significant figures.
But what happens if we, say, add a zero after 55 cents?
It will be significant, but if you add it at the front, then it's just a placeholder without any significance. See? You can actually control that. It depends on where you place it, and there are easy rules to figure it out.
Now that sounds interesting.
Jeff is right. A lot in mathematics depends on what makes your measurement and calculations more or less significant or meaningful. Let's find out next what rules to use when counting significant figures in a given number.
Good morning, SS2 students. After you're done watching the previous illustration video, today you are going to continue the next subtopic of chemistry lesson. The next subtopic of chemistry lesson is about significant figures. Let us continue to the first slide. So, when we go to the first slide, you can see the example. How many significant figures of the following numbers? This one, I just recall back the knowledge that you have learned in math or physics about significant figures. So I don't explain it too detailed in this video explanation. You can see also in the PowerPoint. So as you can see from example number 1A, I give you 227. How many significant figures? Basically, I don't make specific rules, but I really give you answer because this one recall back the knowledge. So 227, you count one by one. 227, the total significant figures become 3. The next example B is 560. The difference B with A, 560 have 0 number at the last. Actually in my slide, I have put there, last 0 is a placeholder. So the total significant figure of 560 is equal to 2. We don't need to count the 0 because last 0 is a placeholder. Next, we go to part C. Part C, how many significant figures of 1006? 1006. The difference with part B, if part B 560, the 0 at the last. If part C 1006, the 0, the 2-digit 0, position in the middle. So you have to count the 0. The difference with the part B, 0 at the last, you don't need to count. But if C, the 2-digit number of 0 in the middle, you have to count it. Basically, the total significant figures of 1006 is 4. We count 1, 0, 0, and 6. Next, we go to the part B, 0.00035. What's the difference with part A, B, and C? These zeros numbers given, all position at front, become 0.000 something. So, if you see the questions, significant figures given 0.000 something, until it's very long, please just ignore the position or the presence of 0.000 something. The longest zero doesn't give effect if the position is still 0.00 something to the significant figures. So 0.00035, the total significant figures is 2. So we don't count for 0.0000. Next, the last example, 0.000350. One more time, 0.000350. The total significant figures in my slide static become 3. Why? Why not 2? For sure you will be questioning me, why not 2? The difference with part D, D still 0.00035. If part E, 0.0000350. One more time, 0.0000350. Have 0 front, have 0 also last. 0.0000, ignore it, but the last 0, you have to count it, so become 3. If for the first slide example, you still have question, don't feel hesitate for asking me in WhatsApp group or personal WhatsApp. We go to next slide. The next slide, basically, the question is about rounding to 4, 3 and 2 significant figures. The numbers given is 526.84. So let's go to how to solve 4 significant figures from 5 to 6.84. Okay, so the answer is U. Don't directly write first the answer. One more time about the answer. Don't directly write the answer first if you are not really stronger in the rounding point. Of course, you will be asking me how to rounding 526.84. First, check first 526.84. One more time, check first 526.84. How many significant figures? After you check 526.84 is consists of 5 significant figures, to change become 4 significant figures, I put in my slide 526.8 because in mathematics that you have learned, 526.84 close to the number before 5, so become 526.80 and then just now, if you follow the rule, to make it become 4, you just put become 526.8 to get 4 significant figures. The next question, how about 3 significant figures? How to solve it? If you already got 526.8 in the 4 significant figures, in order to get significant figures, 3 significant figures, you just round off. 526.8 become 527, like the mathematics concept in J8. Next, part C. How to get 2 significant figures? After you get 527, you can make become the close number after 2 become 530. So, based on the basic significant figures, 0 at the last, we don't need to count it. Okay, after I explain in detail about the basic of significant figures, let us go to the chemistry part. Of course, you will be asking me, what is the function of significant figure in chemistry lesson? Of course, the connection is how to solve the mole and equation topic regarding to the significant figures answer. Okay, so example number 1. How many moles of CaO are there in 2.9 gram of CaO? After you learn mole from the previous meeting, of course, you are expected to get the answer of mole by inserting mole equals to gram over mR. 2.9 divided by 40 plus 16. As you can see from my slide, the answer become 0.0517857. One more time, 0.0517857. If you notice the significant figures there, it can consist of 6 significant figures. Why I put dot dot dot? Actually, the answer is long. Versi in the calculator. Okay. So how to get 4 significant figures? Please try to analyze how many significant figures. Based on the counting that I put in the slide, you will get around 6 significant figures. In order to get 4 significant figures, you can round off 517857 become 51786. That one become 5 significant figures. How to accomplish the assignment become 4 significant figures? Just continue from 51786 and then round off 86 become 9. So the final answer become 0.05179. Why the answer that one can become 4 significant figures 0.000? No need to count. Remember that. And then we go to the 3 significant figures. After you done with 4 significant figures, for sure 5179 4 significant figures. So we can continue become 3 significant figures, round off 518. After you done with 3 significant figures, how to get 2 significant figures? One more time, step by step. You do checking how many significant figures, continue to the question, finishing 4 significant figures, and then going to 3 significant figures, and the last to get 2 significant figures, you can maintain it from 3 significant figures 0.058 1a, and then round off become 0.052. For number 1, actually I repeat one more time, just follow the chemistry formula first and then you combine with the significant figures. Count the significant figures, answer the abstract one after you got the counting, and then try to round off based on the question order. Okay, so that's all of our lesson today. Thank you for watching the explanation of my video.